Firstly, go to the bottom left into the search and type the word run, and please select run. In the box, type the word regedit, regedit, and press OK. Now we need to go into HKey current user software and find the Google folder. Right click and delete the folder. Okay, once you have done that, okay, you need to go into HKey local machine. Okay, I'll show you. HKey local machine software and find Google and delete that. Okay, once you have deleted, we need to perform another step. Okay, you need to go to the bottom search again and go to run. In the run box, type the word %symbol local app data and %symbol. There is no spaces in between, you can see in the video, and then click on OK. Now find the Google folder again and delete it. Okay, once you have done this, please restart your machine and try to install the Google Chrome, and that should help us in installing the Google Chrome. That's about it, folks. Please like my video and do not forget to subscribe.